your partner's current feelings and next actions. We are gonna find out what are your partner's current feelings and next actions. So guys, how are you today? I am Shreya Khanna, and so I'm your reader, I'm your tarot card reader and your host also for this video. Okay, thank you for coming on this reading. Welcome here. All right, so guys, before we actually start this reading, I just want you to understand this, that whatever today's feeling is, tomorrow this can be a different reading, and every single day it keeps changing, the energy keeps changing. So many people do not understand that we have been watching the readings every single day, and what is happening, and we are so confused about this. Go towards the energy. If you are someone who's feeling today's energy and you feel connected, that we are watching some kind of feelings and next actions, it's because there is a urge for you to understand it. Yes, you want to know somebody's feelings. Okay, you want to know whether they want to come towards you or not. So there we have the next action in today's reading also. Okay, current feelings and next actions. This is a timeless reading. This is not a gender specific reading. All right, so I am on Instagram and on YouTube with the same name. It's Shreya Khanna. I am not on any other platform. Make sure that you like, share, comment on this video, right, and subscribe to my channel. Press the notification bell icon, right. So this is 144. Guys, I specifically want to tell you that in case you feel connected to my energy and you feel like that you want to book a reading, there is only one way. Book it through WhatsApp with me. The number is given in the description box below. All right, um we are going to take two cards. Okay, and one card will be for those people who are who are separated, they are in no contact, and their partner is single. And the other one would be for their partner is married or in a relationship or a commitment. Okay, so um, this is your first card. This is for the people who are single. Okay, this is for the second card. This is for the people who are married. Okay, married or in commitment, right? So we'll start with the single one. So if your partner is single, this is going to be their reading. This is the devil card. Okay, if your partner is single, that's the devil card. Let's see what are their current feelings towards you. Okay, what are your partner's current feelings to you? So don't think that this is a devil card and this is not a good card. No, it's not like that. The devil card tells a lot of things. So I see angels. If you're connected to the angels, this reading, yes, can resonate with you. Let's see. Okay, the devil card, what are their current feelings? This is three of wands. They actually want to, the first feeling that I see is this is triple three with the three of wands. I feel that your partner is thinking about you. They look forward to be with you, plus they want to take a serious action towards you also. Okay, let's see what are their current feelings. Justice, three of wands, justice, the fool card, the magician card, ten of swords, eight of cups, and we have the chariot card. Okay, so in their current feelings for you, they just feel that they are looking to be with you. There is an ace of pentacles in the bottom, right? They want to be with you. It's just like they feel that they are addicted to you. They feel that you are somebody who is who is very attractive. So you may be feeling that with this magician card, I feel that they feel very attracted to you, and they also feel that you are magnetic. You are someone who has made them not go to someone else, but they want to be with you. That came on triple four. Okay, if your person is single, this is your reading. Okay, but what are their feelings? Okay, first of all, I really want to tell you that if you've been separated recently, this could be, something that you want to listen to. And if there is a long separation, this is also your reading, okay? So there are different type of people, different type of energies I'm receiving in this for different scenarios, okay? So now I feel that your person is like they are addicted to you, right? I just heard the Shakira song, I'm addicted to you, okay? If you may want to listen to that, this is the channeling for you. Plus your person is always thinking about you, and kind of they know, so there could be a telepathic connection between you and your person. I just feel that both of you want to, go through a phase where you are giving each other what you both expect from each other. What you deserve, they are giving you. What they deserve, you are giving them. And what is that? That is justice. That is basically listening to each other, yeah, and understanding each other's perspective. What exactly, things, there are things that to be, said to each other and wanting from each other. So I require you to do something for me, like both the parties want this, okay? What are their current feelings? Also, I have received 10 of swords and 8 of cups. I just feel that either some of you, this is for a very few specific people, third party has left your person. This is why they are single right now. Moreover, I just feel that your person is not able to manage with the other people in their life. So this is the reading where your person is single, right? Now I just feel that they have a strong urge to become someone. They have a strong urge to, have a strong career. They have a strong, they could have a special, this is also the card of soul purpose, soul mission, right? This is tip double seven with this chariot card. I still feel that your person is on a mission. This could be your divine masculine, okay? You could be a divine feminine, or this could be your divine feminine, and they are in their power. With these cards, they could be, they could be a Libra also. Let me tell you the signs, okay? The signs is Capricorn. We have Aries, um, Aries, Gemini. No, there is no Gemini here up till now. Okay. Wait, let me tell you the signs, right? Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio is there. So with the Magician card, we have actually all the signs in here. Um, Specific signs are Libra, specific signs are Capricorn, specific sign is Cancer, okay? Rest, we have all the signs covered in here, okay? Now I see Sun in two different cards. Okay, there is Sun in two different cards. Your person wants to take a leap of faith towards you. If they're single, okay, if they're single. Moreover, they have a strong sense of purposefulness to their life, okay? This is what's coming, and they might have started to do something new also. Let's see, let's see that what what are their next action towards you, because they definitely want to take an action towards you. What are your person's next action? For all the single people, what is your person's next action? Wow. I just feel your person is very burdened. I think they might be under a responsibility, or, they feel some kind of burden with you also sometimes, because this is reflecting as, these two cards are together. It's more like they moved, or maybe you moved. Why can't this be sorted? And there is this internal feelings with them, that why can't this be sorted? Maybe they feel like a soulmate to you, right? They feel that you're very addicted, not you, they are addicted to you, something like that, right? So let's see what are their next actions. Okay, thank you, God. Thank you for this reading. What are their next actions? Ace of Wands. Very soon they are going to talk to you. This is 11th of December. Yeah, they are very soon. They are going to talk to you in one day, in 1 week, in 1 month. Some on the first, could be, there's the Empress. 3 is very strong. Your person is very confident about you. They are like, you have hooked them with something that you could have manifested them also. You could have been talking to God and asking God that, you know what, I want my love mate, I want this person, something like that. So basically there is a strong attraction to both of you. This devil card is not signifying anything bad in particular. It's just that you guys need it because you were supposed to align to your soul purpose. Okay, now I just feel that with this devil card in here in particular, your cards are super strong and super nice, super powerful. I don't know what is happening here. But they want to tell you that you are super addictive. Okay, like Shakira's song, again and again and again. So I'm addicted to you, I'm addicted to you. Your person is like, I'm addicted to you. This is coming again and again and again. Okay, so this is the devil card. They so yeah, where I was telling you that you had a strong purpose, it is also you guys lost your. So what, that the relationship that you both share, in my perspective, when I see the cards, it is 11/11. Okay, today is 11th December. You have a soul purpose, you have a strong twin flame. I think this is a twin flame reading. For the single ones that is coming up, we are still going for the married ones also in a separate reading in the same video. Okay, wait for it. Now I just have this strong feeling that um, you had a strong purpose, both of you had a strong purpose, and you got, you know, attracted to each other. This is 1144, right? And that all took everything from you, took all of your energy. This is why I think your separation is happening right now. Okay, in case you're in separation, yeah, this is why you're feeling separated, because a lot of things did not work out the way it needed to, because you both had something to do, something to make sure that everything goes according to your life purpose, right? So I think you both are in that realization that yeah, you want to move forward also. This is why a very strong judgment of, like, justice card is here, fool card is here, right? Let's see what are your partner's next actions. King of Pentacles, Queen of Wands. They are like, okay, some of your partners, they feel that because they left you or something happened, you have moved on to someone else. Some for some of you, okay. And the action that they want to take is, yes, they want to communicate with you. The first card is they want to offer you some kind of roses. They want not very strong roses for everyone, but they want to tell you that, you know, let's engage. So this is where they are confused, like how to approach you, right? They are thinking of approaching you, but how, right? Very soon, I see, very soon. Okay, now they want a little bit of yes from your side spiritually, that are you ready for me coming to you, your person basically. Are you ready for your person coming to you? Are you ready for that? Okay, now I see Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy in here also. I see Aries, um, Aries, Libra. Sorry, yeah, Libra is there. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius is here. Okay, your Venus is very strong. Some of you, your Venus is very strong. You are attracting your person more than ever. If that was not the case initially, you are anyway attracting this person. So when is this person going to take the next action? What about their next actions towards my collective? Let's see. The Emperor is here. Okay, they are hesitating a little bit. They think you moved on, and how to, you know, come to you. The Page of Wands is here. Next action, King, Knight of Cups. Next action, Ace of Swords, Ace of Cups. Guys, there is a, I saw all the aces in your reading, all the single ones. I'm talking to you right now. Ace of Wands, Ace of Sword, Ace of Cups, and Ace of Pentacles also with the Magician card. There is a strong manifestation between you and your partner. You both are supposed to be together with Empress and Emperor card. They are gonna, you know, they are amazed, like you know what, they have to step up. They have to step up in order to be with you, whosoever you are. They have to step up to be with you. Okay, now they could have some kind of, sexual feelings towards you. They could be attracted towards you romantically a lot. But what they are not getting over with, see, they know it, they are addicted to you, they are like super possessed with you, but then they are not understanding this, that how to let this go, how to let your, magician vibe go. It's more like you are supercharged with the energy of Radha Krishna. Krishna is always who plays the flute, and everybody is charged up and charismatic and super pulled with towards Krishna, something like that. Okay, now I just have some kind of you know dhupati going on, so there is a lot of smoke in here. Okay, but that's a good smoke. Okay, I do this regularly. The angels are like telling you the situation, they want to come towards you, but they are thinking of what to offer you, right? It's the communication coming towards you, is the heart to heart talk. I told you heart to heart talk is supposed to be there with you and this person. Okay, now if they are single, yeah, this is your reading. Moreover, let's see when are they gonna come towards you. They definitely want to. Yeah, in 10 days, in 10 weeks, in 10 months, this is coming, and 10th of next month also, right? So this is more like 10 hours also. So yeah, it's a very strong communication coming towards you. Plus, I want you to write down in the comment section whether you want this person to come towards you or not, because if you're not sure, they are never sure spiritually. If you've that within that, yes, they should come to you, then yes, write down in the comment section, thank you God, thank you universe, I want this person to take an action towards me. It's a very strong reading, very strong reading. You guys are supposed to be with each other. Plus Emperor and the Empress card. Okay, that's a 1717 number. Okay, now we are gonna check about the people whose partner is married. Okay, if your partner is married, this is your reading. This is Six of Cups coming. Okay, Six of Cups. So single ones, your reading is done. If your partner is single, your reading is done. And if your partner is married, I'm gonna see what is this about. Okay, there is Six of Cups. We have Nine of Wands in here. If your person is married, this is Five of Cups, the Tower card. Okay, Five of Pentacles is here, the Temperance card is here. Okay, let's see what are their current feelings towards you. What are their current feelings towards you? Eight of Swords is here. Wheel of Fortune is here. Okay, guys, they have a strong feeling, and yeah, there's a King of Swords in reverse in the bottom deck. Okay, your person feels that so although this separation could have been going on for a very long time with you guys. Okay, if your person is married, they feel that you went away. There is a lot of boundaries. How are they gonna cross those boundaries? You have a strong boundaries in your life now, and you're not letting this person come towards you. They also feel that you are very disappointed with them. Okay, your person feels that you're disappointed with them, and you have a strong boundaries. Plus you are going higher, and you are in your position somewhere, but something tells me that you are a little bit of scared also with this person coming to cross some kind of boundaries, and they are not keeping it, because it could be a possibility that in the past you were not mature enough to keep your boundaries, because you liked this person, you loved this person. So this person feels like that. Okay, now they definitely think that because of the boundaries that you are keeping, this relationship still is in a separation. Okay, you're not letting go of the boundaries, so that you know how they can come communicate, how they can come towards you. I feel like you have blocked this person. I feel like even in phone you have blocked this person, but even in life also you have blocked the ways that this person can come to you. So you have a strong boundary system that is going on. Plus you and your person both are thinking about the past, thinking about the good days. So this is a very specific thing that your person. So there is one more thing, maybe your person is married, this is why you kept boundaries, right? There could be so many reasons why you had boundaries. Now there is this person is feeling that um day by day you're going away from them, right? Your person is feeling that you're killing the contact. Killing the contact means just your vibe is now off with this. So your person feels that you have stopped communicating, you have stopped missing them, you have started to gather your own energies to yourself and not giving this person a lot of energies. Okay, still there this person have hope. Still this person have hope that you could be thinking about them. Yes, but you are, right? You are. Even though you also feel that this person is not contacting you, it could be 5 years for some of you, it could be year and a half, it could be 16 years, some for some people, not for everyone. Okay, so yeah, angels are there. Okay, long there. Okay, now I feel that there is Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio energy. There is the Jupiter energy. There is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy, right? And we have Libra, Aquarius. Sorry, not Aquarius. Libra, not Libra. Also not Libra. Okay. Um, yeah, Libra is there. Libra is there. We have Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius energy here. Sagittarius also very strong here. Okay. Yeah, so that those are the signs. Okay, I feel there are all the signs. There are all the signs in this reading also. Okay, so your person feels very, so because you have blocked your person is thinking in their head. They are like thinking a lot in their head, processing a lot, and your person feels so much blocked. And I see that your person's current feeling is how do they approach you? How did maybe your person also, you and your person feels that this is some kind of destiny playing. They played rude. Yeah. So they are now realizing that yes, they played rude. Okay. Let's see if they have any current feelings more. Yeah. They have the Hierophant. Any more current feelings? Married. If your person is married, if they have any more current feelings. Yeah, they are very, very. Look at that. That's Ace of Swords. Thinking in their head. Nine of Swords, thinking in the head a lot, right? King of Pentacles, Strength card, Four of Wands. This is the Moon card. Your person has not left thinking about you. They are like, they still have hope. Even if you've that's over. If you've said it, that's over. They see they are waiting for you. They are waiting for you. Something like that has happened. Let's see what are their next actions. What's your person's next actions if they're married? Okay, let's see what are their next actions. Again we have the Hanged Man. Again we have the Queen of Wands here. The next action, yeah, they think they are thinking like something miraculously, someday miraculously you turn to them, you talk to them, or maybe you are the guide and the wise person to them, you guide them. Okay, your person thinks you guide them, you are their guide in relationship. Six of Swords is here. What are the next actions towards my collective? What are the next actions towards my collective? Page of Swords is here. Okay. Queen of Cups is here. Hermit is here. Three of Pentacles is here. Six of Wands. They will come to you. Okay. First thing first. Okay. Now there is King of Pentacles and Queen of Pentacles. Both have appeared to me. They will come to you. They will communicate to you. But right now they're waiting. Okay. Right now they want their answers. Right now they want to come out of their head and do something in the practical, in the 3D world, which means that I just feel your person is not being practical right now. They are in their emotional zone. They are in their, finding answers zone, right? They want to get out of how they feel anxious without you. Maybe there is something going on that they need your help in, because you are a strength to this person. I also received the strength card here. You are a strength to this person. You always motivate your person. You always help them come out of their um so nobody, your person is although they are talking, some of you, they are talking to their friends, family about you. How do they approach you, right? But I feel that your person has still not gathered enough of their you know strength to come and walk towards you, right? So they're, I feel that they are looking at you on social media also, and how you have won. So yeah, I just feel your person will contact you. Okay, when will they contact you, that I can see, but there is not a specific recent times I see right now. Okay, when will they contact you? There's the Fool card. There's the Fool card. Okay, they want to take a leap of faith. Okay, for some of you, your person still wants to wait. Your person still wants to wait, and that's the Sun card. Your person still wants to wait. Okay, that's the eight of Wands, and we have the Two of Cups, right? They want, you know what they want. There is a Three of Wands also. You know what they want. They are thinking of the future. So right now, where your person is, they are in their own thoughts, right? A lot, I see they are in their own thoughts. They are processing something. They are thinking of good things with you. They are thinking of the past. This is what your person feels right now. They are thinking of the past. They are thinking of how great memories were with you, and they want to be with you, and they want to feel victorious, right? There is a Marriage card also, plus the Wisdom card also. You are the key to this person's life. Okay, something like that. They want to be victorious with you. Now I see that they want to wait for some time, but they want to approach you. They want to approach you with the growth. Okay, you guys, the day your person comes to you, it's gonna be a lot of new beginnings, new growth opportunities. Everything is gonna be like, it is, it was worth it. Maybe the wait was worth it. Maybe maybe your person's time to themselves was worth it, right? Maybe your time to yourself was worth it. So it all has brought a um lot of beautiful self indulgence in your relationship. Okay, now I see that you guys could be soulmates. Okay, you guys could be karmic partners also. This is a karmic partners also. So there is angels who are working for both of you. Okay, there are angels. I see the Sun card. I see the Sun card here also. Okay, so I just want to tell you that this is your person thinking about their future with you. Okay, their next actions is to wait for some time and actually want to approach you with in front of family, in front of in front of all the society, and everything, that they want to give the world to you. Something like that is your person's feeling. Okay, now in case you like this video, like it. Okay, I mean, you like this video, like, hit the like button. Okay, subscribe to my channel, push the notification bell icon, so whenever I post a video, you get to see it as soon as possible. Okay, then comment down below that yes, your person, whatever you want to claim in this reading, blessings and everything, claim it. And guys, really, if you want to book a private reading, I am only available on the WhatsApp number given in the description box below. Book today, okay? And I will see you in my next reading, or I will see you in your personal reading. Bye.